Dear children, heartiest welcome in this English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Dear children, today we will do some important unseen comprehension passages and solve the questions that follow. Dear children, the learning objective is that after doing these unseen passages, you will be able to answers questions orally and in writing on a variety of texts. Dear children, you will also able to ask and respond to the questions based on texts, that is from books or from other resources and out of curiosity. Now let's start. Dear children, let's first read the comprehension passage 1. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. First we read this passage and understand briefly. Thereafter we will solve the questions that follow. In England, Gandhiji at first did not give his time entirely to his studies. इंग्लैंड में गांधी जी ने पहले तो पूरी तरह से अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए समय नहीं दिया. इंस्टेड ही ट्राइड टू एंजॉय फैशनेबल इंग्लिश जेंटलमैन लाइफ इन एवरी वे लाइक सो मैनी यंग मैन ऑफ हिज एज. ही वॉज अट्रैक्टेड बाय वट वॉज न्यू एंड फॉरेन. बजाय उन्होंने हर तरह से फैशनेबल अंग्रेजी सज्जनों की नकल करने की कोशिश की. अपनी उम्र के इतने सारे युवकों की तरह वह नई और विदेशी चीज़ों से आकर्षित थे. ही वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन बाइंग स्मार्ट इंग्लिश क्लोथ्स. उन्होंने सुंदर अंग्रेजी कपड़े खरीदने में बहुत पैसे बर्बाद किए. ही स्टार्टेड टेकिंग लेसन्स इन बॉल रूम डांसिंग इन प्लेइंग द वायलिन एक्सेट्रा. वह बॉल रूम डांसिंग वायलिन बजाने आदि का सबक लेने लगे. What a change from a shy boy on the ship who would not talk to other passengers. जहाज पर शर्मीले लड़के से क्या बदलाव आया जो अन्य यात्रियों से बात नहीं करते थे. After 3 months, he suddenly realized how silly it was to waste good brother's money on such things. 3 महीने के बाद उन्हें अचानक एहसास हुआ इस तरह की चीज़ों पर अपने अच्छे भाई के पैसे बर्बाद करना कितना मूर्खतापूर्ण है. आफ्टर दिस ही डिवोटेड ऑल हिज टाइम टू सीरियस स्टडीज़. इसके बाद उन्होंने अपना सारा समय गंभीर अध्ययन के लिए समर्पित कर दिया. फ्रॉम द वेरी चाइल्डहुड व्हेन गांधी जी फाउंड ही वॉज डूइंग अ रॉन्ग थिंग ही एट वंस स्टॉप डूइंग इट. बचपन से ही जब गांधी जी को पता चलता था कि वह गलत काम कर रहे हैं तो वह तुरंत ऐसा करना बंद कर देते थे. सो डियर चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पैसेज. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस पैसेज. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 of this passage is, what did Gandhiji do apart from studies? The answer of this question is, Gandhiji tried to enjoy fashionable English gentleman life. Now second question, what kind of music Gandhiji learned in his initial days? The answer of this question is, Gandhiji started to play the violin in his initial days. Now third question, what did Gandhiji suddenly realized? Answer of this question is, Gandhiji suddenly realized how silly it was to waste good brother's money on such things. Now fourth question, what would Gandhiji do in his childhood when he found that he was wrong? The answer of this question is, when Gandhiji found he was doing wrong thing, he at once stopped doing it. Now fifth question, write the opposite word of new and good. The answer of this question is, the opposite word of new is old and good is bad. Now, dear children, let's go to the another passage. read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. First we read this passage and understand briefly. Thereafter, we will solve the questions that follow. Gandhiji's mother was a very sweet, kind and a religious woman. गांधी जी की माता बहुत ही प्यारी, दयालु और धार्मिक महिला थी. She visited temple daily, often taking her little son with her. वह प्रतिदिन मंदिर जाती थी, अक्सर अपने छोटे बेटे को अपने साथ ले जाती थी. She fasted frequently too. वह अक्सर उपवास भी करती थी. Once she made a vow to eat only one meal a day for 4 months and not to take even that one meal unless she has first seen sunshine. एक बार उन्होंने 4 महीने तक एक दिन में केवल एक बार भोजन करने और उसे तब तक नहीं लेने का संकल्प किया जब तक कि उन्होंने पहली धूप नहीं देखी हो. She has made this vow in the rainy season. क्योंकि उन्होंने वर्षा ऋतु में यह व्रत लिया था. It was often difficult to see sunshine at all. इसलिए अक्सर धूप को देखना मुश्किल था. Her children, who could not bear to think of their dear mother going without food all the 24 hours, would stand staring up at the sky, waiting to catch the first glimpse of the sun. जो अपनी माताजी को 24 घंटे बिना भोजन के बारे में नहीं सोच सकते थे, वह सूर्य की रोशनी को देखने के लिए आसमान को निहारते रहते थे. As soon as a ray appeared, they would dash into the house and call their mother to come and see for herself. जैसे ही किरण दिखाई दी, उनके बच्चे घर में दौड़े और अपनी माताजी को बुलाकर खुद को देखने के लिए कहा. Okay. By the time the sun had often gone behind the clouds. It does not matter. God does not want to see me eating today. She would say happily, and back she would go to her household work. उस समय तक सूरज अक्सर बादलों के पीछे चला गया था. कोई बात नहीं, भगवान आज मुझे खाते हुए नहीं देखना चाहता, वह खुशी से कहती और वापस घर का काम करने चली जाती. So dear children, hope that you understand this passage. Now let's solve the questions of this passage. The first question is, what vow Gandhiji's mother make? The answer of this question is, Gandhiji's mother made a vow to eat only one meal a day for 4 months and not to take even that one meal unless she has first seen sunshine. Now, second question. What did the children do if they saw some sunlight in the sky? The answer of this question is, when the children saw some sunlight in the sky, they called their mother to come and see for herself. Now, third question. Why is it difficult to see sunshine in the rainy season? The answer of this question is, in rainy season, the sun hides behind the clouds, so it is difficult to catch the glimpse of the sun. Now, fourth question. What kind of woman was Gandhiji's mother? The answer of this question is, Gandhiji's mother was a very sweet, kind and a religious woman. So dear children, I hope that you understand the above two passages. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet after seeing this video so that you can make more understanding about these unseen comprehension passages. Thank you. Be happy and safe.